This is a popular sticker, by the way. But it's cool because the dent, it makes it look like the shockwave. So I guess today is a lesson I'm still learning. I have these friends who are capable and want to help, and I don't know, I just don't reach out. But Edge reached out to me saying that we could use his driveway because he has like a nice space to replace the clutch, but we can't do that for a couple days. He also wants to help, which is awesome. Edge is like the main character of all realities. I want to figure out which motorcycle shop we can take the R6 to, and we may as well work on the front brakes for the AW11. Still working out a schedule with Edge, but once we get that nailed down, we'll have an exact time and date to work on it, which is going to be awesome. It'll give us a lot of space. If you watched our Forge Edge starter replacement video, then you'll see the space there. Gigi Styles and I just finished our workout, and a friend of ours called and wants to go to the board game cafe later today, so looks like our day's changing slightly. We will be working on the AW11, and then we will drive, and then we will go to the cafe later tonight. This whole experience has got me thinking about something one of my mentors had told me. She said that I needed to dig one well, and it's been a long time that I've been thinking about that, and I think I know she's right. And the issue is I need to dig my well before I can plant any flowers or whatever, you know?
Hello, sir. Hello.
So we're here in the MR2, and I feel like I have lost control of today. I called some motorcycle shops, and it turns out there is one that will do it, but they're far away, so we have to figure out how we're gonna get the bike to the shop, because we can't drive it, and I'm not gonna walk it forever. So we'll see what's happening there. Because we're limited on time, I'm not exactly sure what we should do. But let's jack the front up. It's weird, my bike I feel like is a part of me, whereas so much like admiration for this thing. It's weird. I don't have the same like connection, but I have such more, I don't know, fondness. Like how I look at my dog and I'm like, my dog is so cute. Like that's what I see when I see this. But I also like want to nurture and care for my dog, you know? Those of you who have been watching some of my other videos know that this AW11 was wrecked. So the control arm was bent and we were missing the tie rod. So we've replaced this part with a new one from Japan, and then also with this and the bracket here. We have two of the bolts, but we're missing, I took it from the other side, I think, to finish this side. But we're missing some bolts. So we're looking at the right side now. So yeah, we're missing at least one bolt. And I'm not sure if like one of these is the right one or not. There's some problem with that going on. I don't remember what exactly it was. We're not gonna do anything else to this car, including working on the other side of this, until this passenger side is complete. So let's see where we're at and what we need. So we're gonna wanna make sure we test that our stainless steel brake line is working properly. We need to fix this bolt. We're missing a bolt here, and for whatever reason, I think that's it. So then we just need the brake pads, the rotor, and then this side should be completed. I can't find the brakes. I'm having a hard time. I need to clean this place. We gotta clean. We don't have time today though, so we're just gonna try to find the brakes. Good news is we found them. Bad news is I don't think we have all of the hardware. So I have the rotor. Unfortunately, our time's up though. We gotta get going. So we're gonna head out to drive. Is this normal, the sound? I think it's a scam. How much is this? $5.49 for one pack and a big coin. We made it! We have some friends that we're gonna meet up with, so we're gonna wait for them. In the meantime, I'm gonna take a little bit of a nap in the car. One is versus another.
Well, yeah.
Come here. What is this? What car is this? This is not a car. This is a Nissan 370Z. What does it have? I'm gonna cry.
The metering guy wants to do it.
He probably would.
Are saying bye to the dudes.
So the bathroom at the pizza place, it's like a horror scene. You like go down the hall, open a door into another hall, then you go down the corner, and then it leads into like a dark room where the bathrooms are. It's nuts. Anyways, I have to work a little bit longer, so I'm gonna do that. If you have a YouTube channel or you're striving for a personal goal, please let me know in the comments. I know things have been slow these last few days, but we are progressing towards replacing the clutch and registering the R3. Edge has allowed us to use his house. We will be doing that in the next couple days. So I appreciate you hanging out with me, and take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow.